Hello, my beautiful people. Blessing, guys. This is your girly authentic journey, and today, guys, I'm doing my workout. But guys, I have a little thing I would like to share with you and to talk to you about that I see going across on social media, and so I just want to put my little 5 cents to it because I work out a lot, and yes, I'm a fluffy girl also. So I was watching the other day this thing on the internet, and this young miss said she have been to the gym and what she have encountered at the gym. So as a lady, I just want to put my little 5 cents to it and just to share along and give a little tip. As a lady, myself as a woman from a woman. Now we women mustn't tear down each other. We must have each other back. We must have the sisters back. You understand what I'm saying? We must have the sisters back. We don't have to tear down each other and pull down each other and tear them from point, draw them from one end to the other, but instead lend a helping hand. Now I'm going to tell you, I'm going to help you. Ladies, draw a chair and listen. We're not too old to learn. Listen me very keenly what I'm saying to you. I work out a lot. I kind of step back and look about me step in. I love the gym. So I go to the gym, so I know what it's like to go to the gym working for hours. And I know what it's like to work from home for hours. And I know what it's like to walk the street and exercise for hours. And let me all tell you something. Ladies, personal hygiene is the key. Personal hygiene is the key. Listen to me, ladies. Personal hygiene is the key. Especially ladies, when we are solid, we're supposed to carry ourselves even more, better, put ourselves together. Let me tell you all something. You have some little skinny chick who feel like because they're skinny, they can't, the armpit can't smell. Not goes up to them. Most of the little slim one, and they're the one with many of the problems. So let me tell you, ladies, let's help each other. This lady was saying she been to the gym and she worked out for 2 hours. And if working out for 2 hours, if you don't think she's going to be stinky, God forbid, that's a lie. You're not supposed to be stinky. Ladies, let I share this with you. I start my workout already. Me not stinky, no. Don't go there. Don't you go there. Don't try it. Now, ladies, if you get up in the morning, this is what I do. If you get up in the morning and you're going to the gym, listen to me keenly. Ladies, let's have each other back. And gentlemen, it can go for you too because I'm on hygiene, alright. And she said she stopped going to the gym because of this reason. But let me share something with you, my sister. Let me share something with you because we are sisters. And I share this with you. Before you go to the gym in the morning, we ladies, I myself include, this is what I do. Have yourself a bath before you go to the gym. Have yourself a bath. Bathe yourself. Put on your deodorant. Whatever choice you may have, put on your deodorant. Now, your gym clothes, wash them every time. If you don't have as much, can change each day, morning or evening. Some go to the gym morning, some go evening, some go one time for the week, some whenever time you're going. After you have sweat into your gym clothes and you wear it for the day and you're sweat, wash it. Wash it before you wear it back. If you have 2, wash one, make it dry at all time. If you have one, wash it out, put it for dry. When you come from the gym, then you wear it back. Keep on putting on your deodorant, and then when you come from the gym, you have a bath and put on your deodorant. Now let me give you a little tip, ladies. Let I give you a little tip. I've been going to the gym myself, and let me tell you something, ladies. Thank God I don't have that issue, but I'm helping you, ladies. If you find yourself have a odor from your arm, some born with it, some have it from their young because they say their parents never squeeze them. Thank God I used to say mommy do, so I do my kids them like this. We are not discriminating no one. We are not discriminating no one, because I know some people have issues and some have problems. If you find yourself having odor from your arm, get the baking soda. The baking soda, ladies, get the baking soda. Put little in a little bowl. Squeeze the lime in it. Mix it out and rub it under your arm. Use it for deodorant after your bath. It will keep down the odor of your armpit. It will keep it down. Now you have a deodorant named Arm and Hammer. That one make with baking soda. You can also use that one, ladies, when you are going to the gym, or if you have a odor, if you have a problem and you cannot use roll-on, use that one. It won't affect you. Use that one, yeah. If you don't want to use the baking soda, use the lime to cover the arm before you go to the gym. Lady, I'm only trying to help you, you know. I'm only trying to help. Ladies, we are sisters in this. Let's not tear down each other. So, ladies, let me tell you. The lady said she went to the gym, and the assistant, as I can remember, came over to her and told her that a lot of the other people at the gym are complaining, the members are complaining that she have a high arm smell and they can't deal with it. She get offended and she said she's not going back. Now we could have dealt with it in a different way, whereby the head one could have come and speak to her about it. However, the assistant did. And I guess once the assistant came over and speak to her, it was already going around there. I'm assuming. But I'm saying to you, ladies, it don't have to be like this. It don't have to be totally like this. Before you go to the gym, before you go to work out, just hold a bath. Now, if a 3-4 hour you go for, you're not supposed to have no. The lady said, how could it be going to the gym like for 2 hours and you don't expect that she's going to be stinking? No, lady. We're going to want that I'm not stinking. Come on, they're better than that. No. Don't do it. 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 You mad? No. I got to work for the day. Everybody is different. Sometimes it's what we eat too. Sometimes what we eat come out in the glands and we sweat it out. So, you know, you understand what I'm saying? So, change your deodorant if it not work for you. Use some look of body spray and all sorts of stuff. But I'm telling you, lady, believe you me, going to the gym, it doesn't mean working for a few hours, you have to be stinky. Yes, you're going to be wet and sweaty, but stinky, Everybody have a different odor. Some may come over to the point where people are saying that you're stinking. No, that should never, ever, ever be. So I'm saying to you, ladies, please, I'm begging you, just go to the and get the lime. Get this if you have that problem, because I know some have some hormone problem and it will come out, and you can use that. The stinking is supposed to run here. Ladies, like help each other. Whatever you have, share it in the comment down below and tell them what they can. But I know as a fact that it work. A good bath and you use that, you're good to go. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you, ladies. So come on, use it up. So let's go back to my workout. You know I can't play the music then because I don't want any copyright. So let's say I go back to my workout, and I'm not going to be stinky. I'm going to be sweaty and wet, but not stinky.
on my decking, you know. I wet up my decking and thing, you know. You see it. Do what you got to do, you know. English, my people. Be work yesterday, you know. You know, straight down the line. Yeah, man. So things set, you know. There, I know just I go and wet him up, you know. Yeah, you know, some more time you have some little thing when you hear me ear crack, you know. Deal with them thing there, you see it. Just on their hand yesterday when me deal with them thing there same time because I saw it go, you know. I done me have to head home with work, man, and then we there, so whether you do what is possible, same way, isn't it? Right, bush there. Yeah. And chop out a way, but you don't know. Outside way, back way, front way, all the way down a main road, you see me? Yeah, man, I this man, I just go and wake up my decking, you see me? So the thing set, you know? Don't know, so just I tap and just down there, so same way, because you see another piece down there, so you know, so one if you saw me, I said, enough work we do yesterday, you see me? Enough material. Sand heap jerk up, gravel heap jerk up, cement, factory jerk up, you see it? So I just say go, you know. Just the yard man do me have to do, you know. It is right, my people. Yeah, man. Don't know, you know, not true, you know, see my face, you know. Yeah, still I do the work. And I do it right and possible way, you see me? So I think setting on my people. Yeah, got to do what you got to do, you know. Trust me. My yard chaka and even pack up good yet. Two machine park up in a yard. Watch yourself in a rasta boy. Where you going with? That enough of them want to know. Sunny jerk up. Probably jerk up. So you think set, you know. Got to do what you got to do. Yeah, man, you don't know. Big pretty house in front of me there, brother. 1, 2. So you think set, you know. Go and put some water on the place, you see it? Yeah. So you don't know, so you're going up clip by clip, you know? Ganja tea. Where pray? Alright. So you think set, you know? You don't know, so you have done so black up now, you know? I don't know, side bedroom, you see it? This part of the building, you know, will be the car approach, you know? If you know him, will be living house, you see me? See, you know, man, whole heap of decking, you know, my people, from way up, so come down here, so. How much feet you know? 20, 25, 30, 30 by 12, there's some people when you turn up on. You see it? 12 by 14 down there, some people. And God alone do all those work away from put concrete up there. You see it? You see, we know we think with people, we just know we think, you know? That's what I said, man. Just how to do, what we have to do. I know for to make with people, you know. Night time, you know. Little and nothing, you know. Because I say all these videos, you have a story time behind them, you know. That's what I think, set, you know. I'm glad we could have met it to them, you know. And murmur, you know. So I give that thanks and praise at the same time, you know. And all these years, you still bless me and give me the strength when I can do, man. You see me, people? Life on a better road, you know. Yeah. I think some people see sunrise are shining and now, you know, they may see them dull, you know. People might see how me a move and now struggle same way, but I never see when me a struggle more right now, people. So you don't know, you know, just struggle, you know. When you reach in life right now, in a position where you have to just teach, you know. You want to learn, can go and learn. You don't want to learn the fire, then can go and burn, you know. So you burn at the fire, you know, from your run, you get burning on the same fire, you see it, so you don't know people. Yeah, do what you do, you know. Yeah. Don't know the name of Almighty Father God. Rub me rub out some little ear cracker card, you know. I'm using shoes on there, you know. Rough shoes. That on rough like concrete green same way, you know. So you don't know. So you finish it, you know. Just go on. Just half I get in and go down there and go show and work them under here, you see me? So you don't know my people, just go and tune in to leave attentive journey, you know, cause, you know, a journey, you know, real journey, you see it? Life journey, you know? So, you don't know, you know, my people. Get you again, you know, cause that's how we do it, you know? So, a word, you don't know. Every time.